Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make hyaluronic acid cream. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final mixing and storage. Making your own cream is a rewarding process, giving you full control over what goes onto your skin. You'll learn the simple steps to create a hydrating and effective product right in your own home. Let's get started on this exciting DIY journey. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need high-quality hyaluronic acid powder, distilled water, and a reliable broad-spectrum preservative to ensure safety. For equipment, a digital scale accurate to 0.01 grams is crucial, along with heat-resistant glass beakers and a small whisk. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's start mixing. Begin by slowly adding your hyaluronic acid powder to the distilled water, stirring gently until it fully hydrates and forms a gel. This can take several hours. Meanwhile, in a separate heat-resistant beaker, combine your carrier oil and emulsifier. Warm this oil phase gently until the emulsifier is completely dissolved, preparing it for the next crucial step. The final steps bring your cream to life. Slowly pour the warm oil phase into your hyaluronic acid gel, whisking continuously until a smooth, uniform emulsion forms. Once your cream has cooled to room temperature, carefully mix in the broad-spectrum preservative. This is vital for safety and shelf life. Finally, transfer your beautiful, homemade hyaluronic acid cream into a clean, airtight container. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.